Hey, what is going on, RestoMods Nation? We're gonna start up the 69 Chevelle today. Esparza is gonna get it down from the lift, and we are going to start it up for the first time ever. Let's see how she runs.
We had an IAC fault code, which is the idle air control. So, yeah, go ahead and erase it, and we're going to verify that that's okay, and make sure our intake tube is okay and all that good stuff. It runs, makes noise.
Duty's right here, it's good in the tech. That's straight headers. No mufflers on that thing.
So what does it need to sound like to be at perfect idle?
I mean, it does have a cam, and it's boosted, and it's a 427, so it's going to have a little bit of chop. We just needed to get up to temp before we can even start adjusting anything, really. So, and it did, but with this big radiator and the fan on it, it's at like 200 without the electric fans on, so I think that's about as warm as we're going to get it right here. So, but we still need to go through and check. You know, it probably consumed quite a bit of coolant, and I want to top off the power steering and stuff so we don't starve our pump. Just give everything a once over. We're resetting the IC steps, start it up and let it learn a little bit more again, little by little.
Cool.
There's a lot of stuff on this engine that's never been warmed before, so like the headers are going to start burning off some paint, things like that. It's running nice and cool. It's running a little fat too, so that keeps it cool.
When you say fat, what do you mean?
It's just running really rich right now, but it's still learning. It's warming up, and we'll verify that our intake air temperature sensor is working correctly. The connector was a little iffy on that, so we'll make sure that that's all done.
In your opinion, does it need mufflers?
No. It needs zoomies straight through the hood. Ready, G?
The 69 Chevelle startup, what a beast, what a motor. I mean, it sounds amazing. How does it feel, Esparza? The fruits of your labor.
It feels great. It feels great. I'm stoked.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. It's enlightening, really.
Big shout out to Blueprint Engines and Phytech EFI for hooking us up with this incredible setup. And then also, of course, Silver Sport Transmissions. We're about to get all that linked up. And
yeah, definitely. Big shout out to them for the Magnum 6-speed. Just a lot of cool parts on this car, so glad it's running and can't wait to get on the road. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you want to see. You want to see the tires burnt off this thing? I kind of do, so stay tuned for that maybe.